Hello everyone, my name is Draconicrose and welcome back to Wild to Do Learn Update Edition. So the last update brought us the task trees, which I will read to you what they are now. The task tree displays your in-game progress. You will be receiving different types of tasks while playing the game. They will be marked with different colors and icons. Each of the icons corresponds to one of the task types. The further you get, the more diverse the selection of available items at the shop will get. So you have a purple cat, a green cat, a red cat, and a cyan cat. Lines on the task tree show in which order the tasks will become unlocked. If you see a task which is locked up at the moment, you can take a look at its requirements by placing the cursor on it. Sometimes, in order to unlock the task, you will need to complete a certain group of tasks or even several groups of tasks. By moving up the tree trunk, you will be learning new machine learning algorithms. Don't be afraid to ignore side tasks. You can get back to completing them whenever you wish to. If some of the tasks will seem too hard to you, you can train in side tasks which can be found on the branches of the tree. This way, you'll be able to create more useful schemes which will help you complete hard quests and receive some money to purchase new items with. And yeah, the English in this game still needs a little bit of tweaking and working. So here is our task tree. I'm assuming these darker colored ones are still locked. There's still some coming soon, some hidden. Yep, I think the medal means we already did them. So does it go down though? Because, she can escape farm crowd psychology. Let's close it and we'll see. Oh dear. I think this reset our progress or let's see then. If I go to load game and this is my last one, since launch, does it work though? It's loading. Let's hope it does, because if not we will just have to start a new game. Okay, so I let the game run for a minute and try and load, and it wouldn't. That means we are starting a definitely new game. New game slot. Okay. Choose checkpoint. Oh. Okay, but I'm definitely going to start right from the beginning because, well, there's been a bunch of updates and a lot of them dealt with the starter stuff, so might as well check it out as well. Am I remembering wrong or is this cursor new? Hello friend, glad to see you in our game. This is a tycoon game that will give you the opportunity to take the role of a machine learning specialist and develop from a rookie to a professional. We hope that our game will help you understand machine learning better. Development stage, of course. And this is the task tree, which I definitely have already explained. Now it goes up, so school problems is our first task. Good morning, we are running a big social survey in schools. Pupils always forget to mark which grade they are in questionnaires, so we must divide them. So again, the deep news about non-neural artificial intelligence, about the chatbot Lisa, and it's teaching us how to drag stuff in. Drag the socket using our mouse to make the connection appear. Okay. We do have this eye now that we can use. This node compares colors. If the color of the element is equal to the chosen color, the element comes into the top socket, others go into the bottom. So we're sending reds there, blues there. Pretty simple. Putting this up to max speed, or else divide 1 full second, and we get for cat hero heroes? Cat coin? I'm not entirely sure, but I like the icon. It's pretty cute. Actually, I get 42, okay. And 500 of rewards, 42 of the cat cloud cost. So yeah, we get a few stuff. So now we don't use the email interface so much. Now let's hide purchased and locked. And okay. For Expo, so we can't really buy anything because we haven't unlocked anything. Okay, so errors in the database. That means, well, still the same thing. This one pretty easy to solve. If it's red, go forward. If not, go down. If it's green, go up. If not, trash it. So I'm just going to release it because I'm pretty sure this is correct. That is how confident I am in this logic. Yep, go, go, go. There we go. So we spent 56 cat hero, and earn 594. Continuing on, errors in database number 2. Hello, it's us again. If you find new types of errors, please update. So custom nodes. You can use programs which you've constructed while completing previous tasks. Here you can see all the schemes made of basic nodes recursively, which are allowed to be used in this task. Custom nodes don't waste time on transferring data from one node to another. At any time you can get back to the previous tasks and rewrite the programs. For example, you may optimize them for using in the current program. Yeah, the problem is... Oh! So I... double click, maybe? No? Double right click! Ah! That is amazing! So now I can actually check what they do. Don't double right click. This might be a bug. Because right clicking once does nothing. Double right click sends us there, but now I can't reproduce it. Great! Marvelous. So our else divide should be good enough. Database node of trash can, and this one I will test run because yeah. So it really doesn't waste time in transferring. That's great. Okay. I wish we could still skip this. We've already watched this run once, so I don't see the point of making us watch it again. Okay, now optimization of the code. Hi, it's us again. We hope it's our last request for you. We've changed our database system. Can you update your code one last time? It must work faster. So now we get a decision tree color. In the real world, the decision tree is one of the basic machine learning algorithms. Each tree knows a limited number of classes. When the decision tree gains an element, it asks the element some questions and chooses the class most similar to the element. This node compares sockets colors with elements color and chooses the socket with the minimum amount of errors. So I'm assuming that if we do red and blue, which are the most, opposite, while green is in between the two of them, if you imagine a color wheel, red would be around here, then yellow, then the yellowish green, green, blue, then the purples, and reds and oranges would be around here somewhere, white in the middle. So red and blue are pretty much always opposite each other. So this should work, so let's see. No, greens are going into the red thing. Well, there's this only red, but it does take 1 second. It's the previous task, isn't it? All of them take 1 second, so not entirely sure what you're supposed to do here, except, you know, use another decision tree to well, if it's blue, you can trash it. Use another decision tree here. If it's red, continue forth. If it's green, because this is a decision tree node, I suppose, they should work together. So as long as no blues are going up, it should be okay. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. And please don't tell me that I don't have any choice but to rent the servers. So okay, we made another thing. Now we are continuing forth, so I suppose purple is actually the learning ones, while greens are optimization ones. Let's check this MedX. Good afternoon, we are a cargo transportation company and are now working passionately on our service improvement. Our cargo distribution system is old and works badly, it often fails. We want you to automate the process and make an algorithm which will sort the goods depending on their characteristics. This is a crucial matter because it determines how qualitatively our delivery will be. What? High sorting accuracy is very important to us. Do you accept the task? Okay, so... well... what do we have here? Another decision tree caller. And an expert system. Well, if it's red, keep going. Now, actually no, because I want 2 reds. Well, there's the RL's divide, which, yes, we do want to deal with reds separately. So if it's red, it's gonna go up, if not, it's gonna go down. Well, you can definitely do this, but we need greens over there. At least 10 of them. So maybe a decision tree color for greens. And we really only get... okay, I'm going to put an expert system here, and I'm going to say that greens go up, but else, or that means blues, just go forth. And hopefully that will work as I expected and send most greens down and some up. While the reds will do the same thing and send most reds there with others there. Let's test run it. Might take a bit too long, so we'll see. Wow, this is slow. Yeah, no. We really ran out of time, so let's clear that. Cat Hub acquired by MyCatSoft. Oh. Oh. Huh. Odd. Okay, so now we'll compare colors. Red and blue. No, blue would be like just go fourth else. Well, if it's red, red and red, right. The organization here isn't very good, so if it's green, go there. And if it's red, also go there, and right? Red, red. Not entirely sure if that will work or if it's still too slow. Still gonna be way too slow. Okay, so I can't use that many nodes. What was the task again? Accuracy is very important. So if only red fast, red else divide, so need 30 nodes there, and oh dear. Without blue. Well, I am stumped again, and I'm pretty sure I did this one. But since I can't really fix it just yet, I'm going to keep going with the learning ones just to end the episode on a high note. Illuminati Origins. Good day! I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to find the very beginning and truth about Illuminati Secret Society. I need to find all triangle figures in these documents to solve the puzzle. Right, and since this one is just teaching us about Sift, it's going to be an easy one. And there we go. Sift them all! Which means only triangle. And off we go! Good. So that will be it for this episode. Let me know what you think of the new task tree system that apparently lets you learn all the way up to the tree, and the side ones are more complex challenges instead of you having to pick them all from the email thing. Oh, this one, yeah. Let's start the startup, but I will make the schema next time. Bye-bye. Thank you so much to my patrons for making this channel possible. Click the Patreon logo to become one of these fine folk, and if you enjoyed the video, here are some more YouTube things you would like. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.